Guys, Rishmi here. I'm back with a kitchen video. I'll be showing you an innovative way to store green leafy vegetables that will stay fresh for a long time in your fridge. Here I've cleaned and washed mint, curry leaves, then lettuce, spinach and coriander. So I've cleaned them and then washed them. So here are the curry leaves, some spinach and coriander. Now I'm taking a clean cotton towel or cotton cloth and bundling them up individually. So each type of leaf put in one particular bundle. So now I'm taking the mint leaves and I'm bundling it up together. I make sure that they are bundled securely, make sure that it doesn't come out. Tightly secured it. Same way I'll be doing for the other leaves also. So I've packed. Well, they are now tightly packed. I've made bundles for others also. Now I'll be packing all of them in one big bundle. I'll put in a bigger size cotton cloth. All these bundles will be put inside that, and I'm going to pack it really tight. I'm going to make sure that it's tightly secured so that it doesn't come out, and make sure that you pack it really tight. So it's a once in a time job. Once you do it, finish it, and you can store these for a long time. Now is the exact trick starts. So I'm going to put it inside the washing machine, and I'll be putting it on spin option. See the spin option. I'm switching on and I'll be turning on to the spin option, and it will be running for 15 minutes. So by doing this, all the unnecessary moisture that makes the leaves soggy and eventually make them rot will be absorbed well. Now if you see, it's all done, and look at how fresh they look. Not only they look fresh, they also taste fresh and stay longer if stored well in the fridge. See, now there's no moisture at all, but they still look very fresh. Same here with the palak also, with the spinach and lettuce also. So all the unnecessary moisture has been absorbed. Now this is how I pack it. I line the box with a tissue paper and add leaves into it, and just for extra surety, I put another tissue on top and keep it in the fridge. So that's it. I follow this procedure. It helps me a lot. Hope you find this tip very useful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can keep it for a very long time in the fridge, and it stays fresh also. So please do try it and enjoy the benefits. Thank you for watching. See you all soon. Bye.